quick update on the tune-up tower. I managed to get it apart and looked up inside, and the gears are working fine for the treadmill. I got two of the battery leads out. I'm going to soak and sand them, took the treadmill off, and I'll be back in a little bit, see if we can get this thing running. They got a healthy buildup of tarnish, so I've made a solution of vinegar and salt to kind of eat away the tarnish. So let's go ahead and drop these in here, and we'll come back and check on them in a little bit. Now in this other glass, while those are soaking, we're going to put a little bit of water. And a little bit of baking soda. I had to put the camera down for a second, but we're going to put a little bit of baking soda in this water. Baking soda is an alkaline and will neutralize the acidity of the vinegar solution. Once we pull those out, we'll drop them into here to rinse them off. Back in a little bit. Update for today. I cleaned the leads, popped batteries in it, and we've got power to the tower. So next time I'm going to work on getting the elevator and the treadmill actually working. That's it. We'll see you in the winner's circle.